Coconut curried shrimp. Rich, spicy, and full of flavor. This one is extremely delicious and relatively easy. This is really a mashup of Jamaican curry shrimp with a bit of Eastern influence. Let's jump right in. But before that, please like and subscribe. Ensure you turn on the notification bell so you don't miss new uploads. And don't be shy, leave a comment. So we're going outdoor today. It's a really nice day, and food always tastes better when you cook it on the outside. Alright, first things first, let's cook some rice. I'm using about a cup of basmati rice. I really like basmati with curry. It's a perfect pairing. Any other white rice will do here, so it's not a big deal. I want to give that a nice wash. And we'll strain and add about 2 cups of water. Basmati rice can take more water than most other rice. Any other side that doesn't stand out too much flavor wise is great too. A flatbread such as roti, boiled dumplings, or even some roast potatoes would really complement this curry. And then this will go on the fire at medium heat. And I almost forgot, this is optional, but you can add a pinch of salt. I'm going to cover and let that simmer while I prep my curry. Alright, so for a curry we need 1 onion. I'm using a red onion here, but could be shallots or white onion, really doesn't matter. I'm just going to peel and slice. All of this food serves about 2 people, 3 if they eat like me. And I'm slicing 1 jalapeno, not very spicy, low on the Scoville scale, but really good pepper flavor. Hold on 1 quick second. Never intentionally plant it, just grew up in the yard out of nowhere. Fresh okra. This tree is really productive. I get like half a dozen okra each day. I have to pick them daily though, or the tree will stop producing. I have 3. Just going to slice them about 2/3 inches thick. Really like okra, but I hate the slime, so these are going in last. Rice is almost ready. Just needs another 3 minutes. Just going to cover and let it steam on the lowest heat. Almost done with the curry prep. I just need some carrot, which I'll cut into strips. And finally, I'm going to peel and chop an entire bulb of garlic. One thing about cooking outside is you always gotta have some insect I try cook with you. Might look like a lot for 2 people, but garlic is like money. Can't too much. Alright, curry prep done. Now let's check in on our rice. It's supposed to finish now. Nice. That's fluffy and fragrant. Basmati smells really good. Alright, enough flirting. Let's curry some shrimp. And this is why I love cook outside. Season with salt, black pepper, curry powder, some toasted sesame oil. Give that a good mix. The toasted sesame oil is optional, but it adds a nice layer of flavor. I'm going to use a heavy pot for the curry. This cast iron pan is perfect. Add a generous splash of oil and let it heat up. Then add shrimp and saute for about 2 minutes for a quick sear. But make sure you don't cook these all the way. They should just start to firm up, but still mostly raw because they'll cook later. Just want it to crisp on the outside. Remove from the pan and set aside. Alright, pan goes back on the fire. Turn the heat on high and and add the garlic. Saute, and just as they start to brown, add about a tablespoon of sugar. Now I want the sugar to caramelize and add some depth. If not caramelized enough, we end up with a sweet curry. I don't want a sweet curry. Found two green chili in the yard, so I'm adding them. Next, I'm adding a teaspoon of yellow curry paste. This has some really nice curry flavors. It has lemongrass, or fever grass as Jamaicans call it, and ingredients such as galangal that's hard to get in Jamaica. Looks like that could take a bit more curry powder. After everything is properly sauteed, I'm adding about half a can of coconut milk. That's about 1 cup. Yeah, you can really smell all the flavors. Next, give that a taste. That could take a generous pinch of salt. This is an excellent sauce all by itself right now. I let it simmer for 3 minutes so all the flavors can melt together. Next, add the shrimp. Then add all the vegetables, carrot, onion, and jalapeno. I'm just letting this simmer and allowing the vegetables to soften a bit. If you're not a fan of shrimp, you could use other protein with this recipe. Some chicken thighs or some snapper would taste great with this curry. You know what this could take? Some basil. Luckily, I have a tree. These are really easy to grow. Next time you get some, just place the woody parts in water. When you see roots, just plant them outside. Give that a wash, chop, and then add to the curry. The very last thing to go in is the okra. I want these firm and not too slimy, so they go in last. The curry is done now, but I need something to wash it down with. The day is nice, but it's getting really hot. So, two jelly coconut right now are the perfect thing. Alright, let's plate up. Rice is really fluffy. Have to be generous with the sauce, that's where all the flavor always end up, and I really want to wet the rice. Yes, coconut curry shrimp done. Let's taste. Yes. Ever eat something that tastes so good you want to sing? Decide. Wash it down real quick with some cool coconut water. Nice. That's a perfect lunch. Alright. Thanks for sticking around until the end. Do me a favor and give this one a try. Leave a comment, and if you're not already subscribed, just do that right now.